Hello, welcome to the first episode of Cilantro. This is Card and I'll be your host throughout this entire journey. And today we are going to cook a simple breakfast omelette. This is my first episode, so just bear with me. A lot of things I have to get used to it. And this is my entire dream to build this kitchen and to work on it. With the help of a lot of friends, of course. And this is the first episode we're going to cook breakfast omelette. Let's jump into the episode. I come from a very different background, so this is all new to me, and it took me, of course I've been cooking my entire life, but doing it something for the purpose of a show, this is the first time. And bear with me, English is my second language, so there might be a few mispronunciations. A lot of friends have pointed out it to me, but anyway, here we are. So, the ingredients would be a tomato and a few mushrooms. I would prefer darker mushrooms, but this is what I found today. So these are white button mushrooms. I use mushrooms as my breakfast because it is healthier and it gives this rich flavor towards my omelette. And of course, the most important ingredient would be eggs. So here. We got a country egg and a regular egg. Two random things that I found in my fridge. So, I don't know what to do, so anyway. So, the very first step would be beating up the egg. We do that so the protein in the yellow gets mixed up properly. So anyway, they say, as the old proverb goes, you ought to break a few eggs in order to make an omelette. I remember this because I love eggs and this is my first episode, and so here we are. Breaking a few eggs. Oh, here's a tip though. Always use like a cup or something when you're cooking like large quantities of eggs, because in case if they are bad and if you have like bits of shells or something fall into it, so you won't spoil the whole mixture. I believe the step 2 would be beating up this. I want my omelette to be much more fluffier, so that is the reason why I'm doing this. Tomato. So there's the thing though, I don't want seeds in my tomatoes because I don't know, because that just generally ruins the omelette. It makes it more soggier. So removing the seed. Ooh, that's a fresh tomato. Okay. Okay. Your eggs, beaten up ones. Salt and pepper. Pretty much I think you will find these ingredients except for the mushrooms. If you have mushrooms, it's just an extra flavor because most people don't like it, but I don't know. I love it. We have fire. Voila. Okay, I want my pan to absorb some heat. And here, a lot of people use butter for this process. I kind of being a little skeptical about that because it has a lot of saturated fats, as you know. So I'm going to substitute that with olive oil, which is considerably a healthier option when compared to the butter. So, let's see. Oh, this is a non-stick pan, so you don't have to use so much oil or butter or anything because the whole purpose of it is to reduce the process of using that. So yeah. Oh, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna first saute the mushrooms because I don't want to add raw mushrooms to my omelette. Yay. You don't want to overheat or anything, just everything, just settle it out. Look at the beautiful circle that it's formed, and just shaky. This layer is formed. This is the most simplest way to do it. See, everything is done on a low flame, which is very important. If you just hurry up the process, it would ruin everything. It would burn your eggs and stuff. And you can just like go through like this, like, no, don't tear. So just fold it, yeah. Voila! Here we are. Our breakfast omelette with mushrooms and tomatoes. This is the first episode, and the whole point of creating this was to have a healthier breakfast that is rich in protein, vitamins, and also you can make it in the most simplest way possible. Anyway, I would like to thank a few people who made this dream possible. First to my friend Gokul, who helped me build this table and who gave me ideas for the kitchen, and my other friend Shali, who gave me space for it, and his dad Abdul Ramani, who set up like water, electricity, everything, and my sailor friend Deepak and Sarati, who gave me insights of like how light works and everything. It's a combined effort of a lot of people, and I should never forget them. And it took me a whole year for doing this, but I should have done it a little bit earlier. Please excuse me for that. Also a special mention to my beloved friend Vignesh, who lives in New York, who runs a film studio, and he gave me insights of how YouTube works. He asked me like, dude, the first thing you have to do is just post a video, like start running this marathon, and I hope you people loved everything that you saw, and you could like and subscribe for that. So more recipes and more innovative